Good morning, y'all. If you can tell, we are at the CastCray store here in Sebring, Ohio. Tagged Out's taking over Ohio. Sebring. We got the crew for the most part. Montre, Jesse, Dave all the way over there. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit. Check out the store. It's been 2 years since I've been here. They haven't. Then we're heading to the new store at PLX. That's about 20 minutes away. CastCray is having a flea market. Most of the CastCray crew is gonna be there. Then we're gonna be fishing. It's gonna be a good old day. Let's get to it. Head on in. If y'all see anything, you know, bro, pull it. All right, guys, well, that's it for the Sebring store. We're heading out to PLX now. Load up. Gonna head out there, check out that store, do some fishing, check out the flea market and all that stuff. So we'll see you when we get there. All right, guys, here we are at PLX. Got the flea market going on, if you can hear me. Drama set up. Let's head on in and see what's going on.
So we're in the process of We're in the process of still building and packing it.
Oh, so much to choose from. Don't know what to pick. We're definitely going fishing, so make sure we get enough and that we're prepared. I mean, we got a couple packs in the car that we bought at the first store.
Yeah.
Oh,
I got the mustard bag stuff too.
Happy Meal.
Oh, yeah.
Mustard custard. That scares me. I like these ones.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else going on that day, so that should be fine.
Maggots or waxes or anything like that?
No, I didn't bring anything. Say what up, bro? Oh. Let me keep shopping. All right, guys, well, we're gonna wrap up here for a little bit. Try to get head out and get on some fish. See what's going on. Rick sent us a couple pins. Then we're gonna meet back up with the whole CastCray crew. Try to do some fishing, hit a few spots, get on them. Let's go fishing. We are now out here at Guilford Lake in Ohio. Crew, Tagged Out crew still with us, obviously. The CastCray crew is rolling in. Scott, Shelby, James, Drama, Rick. I believe they're all coming. I saw the bend.
They whack them, I mean, and then over here, well, I tell everybody to fish where the boat meets the dock.
Yeah. Oh, peace out. Nice. Number 3 for Dave. That's a perch.
That's a porch.
Yeah. Perch on. Him. Okay. We're good for trout.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Elk in Ohio.
right, guys, well, that's it for this video. We had a great time here at CastCray fishing. We're all gonna go get something to eat. So I'm gonna end. That's right. We're all gonna get something to eat, and then we're making our way back to PA, heading home. We got things to do, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to check us out on all our social medias and check out our new website for all of our own merch. We got a lot of cool stuff coming out. Thanks for watching. Love you. See you next time.